Hi, I'm Jared from Heat Press Nation, and today I'll be going over a fun technique that allows you to contour cut light inkjet heat transfer paper and place it on your garment using heat transfer masking material. If you're joining us for the first time, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell to get more videos like this. If you haven't contour cut with Great Cut before, we have a tutorial up on our channel, which you can watch right now by clicking on the card above. Before we start, it's important to note that you must use a heat transfer mask for this technique, like Siser TTD Easy Mask. An adhesive mask like Siser application tape or multi-tack carrier sheet will not work. Contour cutting heat transfer paper is a standard practice in the custom garment industry. However, nearly everyone will tell you to stick with contour cutting solid shapes. Using this new technique will open new doors for you to express your creativity with original, full-color designs. So let's get started. Today we're going to be doing this tutorial in Great Cut, but the process can be used with any cutter and cutting software that has contour cutting capabilities, sometimes referred to as print and cut. We have our really cool USA design ready to go in Great Cut with our contour marks, so let's print it out. Once it's printed, we're going to use our masking material as a cutting mat for our transfer paper. Remember, you must use a cutting mat anytime you want to contour cut heat transfer paper. You may want to press on the paper to ensure it sticks to the Easy Mask. From here, we're going to load the paper on the Easy Mask into our cutter and proceed with contour cutting as usual. You'll want to make sure that your settings allow the blade to cut through the paper while leaving the mask intact. Now that it's been cut, we're going to remove the background and interior cavities, much like we would with heat transfer vinyl. You can see now that everything we want to transfer is on the mask with no background or borders. It's now ready to place on our t-shirt. Keep in mind, this mask isn't 100% foolproof for use with heat transfer paper. It's almost a heat press hack, if you will. As a result, you'll want to use extra care when placing heat transfer paper with Easy Mask on your garment. This t-shirt has already been preheated, so I'm going to place my mask down with the contour cut transfer paper, eyeball the center, cover it with my pro-grade non-stick sheet, and then press it. This heat transfer paper normally presses at 375 degrees for 30 seconds. Because I have the added layer of a mask along with a pro-grade non-stick sheet, we've added 10 seconds to the timer for a total of 40 seconds. Our transfer is now done, so we're going to remove our cover sheet and then peel away our mask. This particular light transfer paper works best when peeled hot, so we're going to peel it right away. Once peeled, you can give a little stretch to your garment. This increases the stretchability of the transfer and also increases its life on your garment. We now have an awesome contour cut graphic printed with light inkjet heat transfer paper, contour cut with our vinyl cutter, and held together with our mask. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to join our notification squad so you can be the first to know when we post any new videos. If you have any questions about any of the products or processes used in today's video, please give us a call at 800-215-0894, or you can visit us at www.heatpressnation.com. Links to the product used in today's video will be in the description below. I'm Jared with Heat Press Nation, and thanks for watching.